yung mga utod mo, imong buligan, yung katapos man. At si mama mo ko si Papa, imogid, chitiyong si mama mo, kaya mo na sa, I love you, Kim.
Wala na, nag-ibig na ta. Wala na. Sortin ako.
Thank you so much, Mami Luz. Now let's move on to Juliana Marzan.
Hi Kim, happy birthday. You're my cousin and me since childhood. Kagang mga gamay nga bagay, sa una ginaawayan ta until now. My message for you is just enjoy your adulthood and stay humble all the time. I know you have a kind heart. Beginning pa lang ni Adamo ka pa maagyan. But I just wanted to say thank you kay Biskan Harsh kasi mo you choose to be kind to me. I-guide lang ang mga mangod mo sa journey nila. Enjoy your life and halong ka lang perme. Hag-wish kasi mo. Tanay ma-achieve mo ang tanan na gusto mong achieve. Happy birthday!
Thank you so much, cousin Juliana Marzan. Now let's move on to Jael Ashley Salinas.
Happy birthday, Tita Kim. Thank you for taking care of us, and thank you for loving us. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Jael. Now let's welcome the sister of Jael, Jai Ashley.
Happy birthday, Tita Kim. I love you so much. Thank you for taking us in here.
Thank you so much, Jai. Now let's move on to Kim Noble Flanca. Aridisa.
To my dearest Kim, honestly, I don't even know where to start because there are so many things I want to say. But let me begin with this. Happy birthday, Kim. Keep doing good things in life and continue filling your pages with wisdom and good deeds. I hope you will continue to pursue your dreams and passions with courage and determination. Even if you sometimes feel like you have no idea where life will take you, I hope you can always hold on to that tiny hope that one day you will be able to live the life you have always wanted. I may not tell you this as often as we are together, yet I just wanted to remind you that tough days don't last forever. Whatever it is, you're stronger than you think and brighter days are on their way. Hang in there and be kind to yourself because you're doing better than you might realize. And keep in mind that I'm so proud of you for holding on and making it this far. Thank you for being a good friend, supporting, loving best friend I could ever ask for. Now that you're 18, don't pressure yourself too much, ha? Don't lose hope and have faith always. Take it slow and one step at a time. Don't forget to live your life to the fullest and have